How to install your Mazda CX-5 2022.5S Carbon Edition custom fit seat covers. Read the description to see other compatible models. To detach the headrest, press the button at the base and lift it off. Slide the backrest cover onto the seat, aligning it with the contour until it's fully secured. Make sure to create an opening at the base of the headrest holder. Insert the front straps through the seat crevice and pull them through until they appear at the back. Unseal the hook and loop by peeling off its backing. Secure the hook and loop straps you threaded through the seat crevice underneath the car seat. Repeat this process for both hook and loop straps. To install the bottom cover, position it on your car seat, ensuring it aligns with the seat's contour. Push the buckle straps through the seat crevice. Tuck in the corners of the cover, ensuring it aligns with the seat and accommodates the seat's controls. Finally, tuck in the seat cover clip and sponge bar. Make sure to tuck in any excess fabric. Place the buckle straps underneath the seat, positioning them to connect with the buckles you passed through the crevice, now located on the back side of the seat. Then, connect and securely tighten the straps under the seat. Flip the bottom of the cover, unseal the backrest cover, and secure the hook and loop fastener to the back of the seat. To remove the bottom seat, unlock the switch underneath the seat and simply lift out the seat. Pull the straps through the corresponding openings on the bottom seat. Repeat this step for all 4 straps. Place the bottom seat cover on the bench seat, aligning it with the seat's contours. Attach the buckle straps underneath your car seat. Pass the outer side straps through the loops and connect them to the corresponding buckles. Simply connect the inner 2 straps to their buckles. Pass the last side strap through the loop, connect the buckle, and tighten for a secure fit. Reinsert the bottom seat by pushing it inward while holding the seatbelt holder up to fit into its corresponding hole. Once the seatbelt holder is in place, pull out the seatbelt holders from the top of the seat, then push the bottom seat inward until it is securely connected. Tuck any excess fabric into the crevice. Fold down the 40 side backrest and remove the headrest. Slide the backrest cover over the 40 side, following the seat's contour. For the 40 side backrest, push the rear hook and loop straps through the seat crevice. Fold down the 60 side backrest and pull the strap near the middle headrest to separate the middle section from the 60 side. Remove the middle headrest, then slide the cover over the middle section, following the armrest contour. Make sure to pull out the strap that allows you to separate the middle section through the corresponding seat cover hole. For the middle backrest, push the rear hook and loop straps through the seat crevice. Remove the headrest, then fold down the 60 side backrest. Pull out the seat belt, place the 60 side cover underneath, and cover the backrest. Ensure the cover aligns correctly, then zip up the back side of the seat. For the 60 side backrest, pull the rear hook and loop straps through the seat crevice. Repeat this process for each section of the backrest cover. Fold down the backrest, remove the seal from the straps you previously pushed through the crevice, and attach the hook and loop fasteners to the back seat upholstery. Lastly, flip the bottom of the backrest over, remove the seal from the hook and loop, and attach it to the seat upholstery. Create an opening near the top for the headrest, reattach it, and slip on the corresponding headrest covers. Finally, open your center console, follow its contour, slide the cover over, and adjust as needed. Your Mazda CX-5 2020 2.5S Carbon Edition seat cover is now officially installed. Enjoy and remember, don't drive wild, drive in style. FH Group, take pride in your ride.